So the time has come for me to finally show you guys how I make the chicken liver spinach salad. Yeah, that's the spinach and that is the chicken liver. So I'm just gonna wash. I'm just gonna wash the spinach and then defrost the chicken livers, and then yeah, I'll take you guys with me when I am actually doing it. I know you guys have been waiting and waiting and waiting for this, right? I'm gonna it is I answer, but today is that day, okay? Now we add the livers. Just gonna add a cup of water. So the only thing that you add there is salt. And then you close it until it cooks, until it's done cooking.